So I'm in second year, and I chose to come to the Indigenous Bachelor of Education program because it's important for Indigenous people to have an Indigenous-specific education, and specifically to take that Indigenous-specific education and go out into the world and share it with other Indigenous youth. For me, growing up, I didn't have any Indigenous teachers. I didn't have that education. So I want to be the person that I needed when I was young. And I want to help other Indigenous youth to grow up and find their passions and find wherever they want to go, whether it be nursing, whether it be sciences, whether it be teaching themselves. I am Anishinaabe, and I also have Haudenosaunee descent. So for me, growing up, I had a mixture of both cultures, as well as European influences, obviously. So for me, it was not knowing where I was in this world, in this country, and not knowing who I was as a person. So coming to Trent actually helped me find teachers, find other individuals like me who have helped me figure out who I am as a person, who I am as an Anishinaabe Kwe, and who I want to be in the future.